Protect yourself from flying debris with thick blankets, pillows, cushions, sleeping bags, or mattresses. This is the test tornado drill for Louisiana's Severe Weather Awareness Week. The National Weather Service encourages using this drill to practice your tornado sheltering plan. Remember, a real tornado warning means a tornado has been detected with radar or actually sighted. When a tornado warning is issued, take immediate action to protect your life. Completely stay away from windows, doors, and exterior walls. Repeating, this is a test tornado drill. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Some tornado safety and shelter rules follow. Go to a shelter area, such as a basement or the lowest level in a building. If there is no basement, find shelter in the center of an interior room on the lowest level of a building, such as a closet or interior hallway, away from corners, windows, doors, and outside walls. Put as many walls as possible between you and the outside. If you are outside well away from buildings, crouch down on the ground next to or under something sturdy, and use your arms to protect your head and neck. Do not open the windows. Stay near your shelter until the tornado threat has ended. Once the tornado warning expires or is canceled, the threat has passed. For more information as to how to prepare your tornado sheltering plan, please visit the following worldwide website, ready.gov/tornadoes. Here's the hazardous weather outlook for portions of South